The MFG40 latches are fiberglass reinforced nylon. They're quarter turn latches that have the same internal cam style latch as our MFG125 handle. So as the latch turns, it draws the panel closer into the gasket to provide a good seal. When you receive these latches, they come pre-assembled. You've got your turn latch, external mounting plate, your internal grommet, your latch for the door, washer, and a primary nut. So this latch requires 3 holes to be drilled. Specifically, your center hole, which is 0.73 diameter, needs to go all the way through. Your top and bottom holes are a diameter of 0.26. They do not need to go all the way through because your external mounting plate, which serves as a guide for open and close position, has 2 pins that stop this plate from rotating. So these need to be placed on center, and they only need external holes to go into place. You don't need to drill those all the way through because this is simply a stop point for your latch. The specific hole diameter dimensions and the dimension from this internal frame edge to the center line of your hole, that information is available on the product submittal sheet, or you can email us and request a copy of that, and those numbers and dimensions will all be called out in that sheet. I've also made some 3D printed templates that allow you to place them on the edge of the frame here to easily mark your center line on your holes. And if you want a copy of these, they're available for purchase, and the files will be available for download as well. So when you go to actually install this, you're going to take your external mounting plate, paying attention to the open and closed positions. Place those into your holes. You're going to take the tooled latch portion. We're going to make sure that action is working properly. And what I like to do is I'm going to leave this in the closed position. We're going to take our internal grommet, place that inside, and then in the closed position, I want this latch, you see there's a raised edge right here. I want this to turn and be in the closed position in that orientation. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to stick that right there, and then we're going to open it to make sure the action is correct and it closes the way that we want to. And we're going to take washer and our primary nut. I'm just using a standard crescent wrench. We're going to tighten this down. We don't want to over torque it. We want it to fit snugly without any wiggle. Close it. Grab our tool, turn it into the closed position, and we're done.